is Cough Drop the Rapper, bitch. Cough Drop the Rapper. This is Cough Drop the Rapper, bitch. Stefan Charles, this is with Elena Clay. I just did that, and she just did that. She just did that. Elena Clay just she my producer, bitch. She my producer. We love when we fuck that. Yeah, we get 100 bands, and I just stuffed $130. I just stuffed it in my backpack, bitch. Take it out the club, and then we said smooth. Smooth as a close the whistle, bitch. Just record, do it all over the film, YouTube. Just bit my shit out, make a love. I call y'all to make a love. Call y'all to make a love. Real shit, dripping off of my cool love. Serious new shit, all the cool shit, yeah. It's all love, bitch. I just keep it all real. I just radio shit, produce my love, song, slam, just producing my song. I'm the rapper, yeah. In my studio, make a love. Shit, my studio, girl, brother. Real shit. We did this. Cool white girl. We did real shit. Make a love. Make a love. Make a love. Make a love. Yeah. I'm on new shit every day. Call drop. Stefan Thurmand making new shit. Stefan Thurmand making call drop. The rapper, bitch. Call drop the rapper. Stefan Thurmand making call drop. Yeah, real shit. Making love. Come and make a love. Come like a brother. Call drop, bitch. Call drop the rapper. Make a love. Make a love. Stefan Thurmand make a love. Stefan Thurmand make a love. Roddy Thurmand shit make a love. Roddy Thurmand shit is a love. Roddy Thurmand shit is a love.